Are you looking for a place to visit? O di kaya na may you want to explore Pampanga without having to travel to places? Well, isang photo exhibit ang binuksan sa SM City Pampanga kasabay ng selebrasyon ng National Arts Month. Ito ang Love Pampanga Photo Exhibition na pinangungunahan ng pamahalaang panlalawigan sa tulong ng Arts, Culture and Tourism Office o ACTO.
So akit na mo kini yung best tourist attractions, best tourism sites, then best tourism products, and also the delectable and delicious Kapampangan heirloom dishes and delicacies.
Tampok sa nasabing exhibit ang mga kuha ni Ruston Banal, isang multi-awarded photographer at cultural worker.
It's more like a compendium of many years of documenting Pampanga. And we wanted to, in a way, represent Pampanga beyond that culinary capital notion. Because aside from being a culinary capital, officially, we have more to offer in Pampanga. Material culture, which is wood carving, silversmith, pokpok, and other things that, in a way, showcase our talent and creativity. Lalo na ngayon, today, or this month, it's Arts Month.
Mula sa rich culture, delectable food, hanggang sa picturesque landscape sa lalawigan, matutunghayan sa mga larawan ni Banal.
This image is more like a showcase, more like a preview that you can explore because there are many things that you can see in Pampanga beyond food.
Maaaring pasyalan ang nasabing photo exhibit hanggang Biyernes, February 21.
Sabay po, makabuklat na yung kakatamong Love Pampanga Photo Exhibit kini po keng SM City Pampanga Fashion Wing, Mexico area. Nunuka rin po magstaya po ini today, February 19 hanggang pong February 21. Kaya po take advantage of these beautiful images para lakwas tayo pong luguran ng probinsyang Kapampangan.
For all those people who are nearby SM, you can check out this exhibition. It's more like a photo exhibition and magazine show of all things Pampanga. So it's a free exhibition. You can go anytime until Friday, I think.
Samantala, ang Love Pampanga Photo Exhibition ay isa lamang sa mga aktibidad na inihanda ng provincial government para sa selebrasyon ng National Arts Month. Mayroon ding charcoal painting contest at 2-day workshop para sa concept design making. Kasama si Liana Canilao, Angelica Cara, CLTV36 News.